Hello everybody. In this video I am going to teach preparation of amines. In our syllabus they are given 6 methods to us. First 3 methods I taught in last video. Preparation of amines from nitrile, preparation of amines from amide, preparation of amines by using ammonolysis process. These 3 methods I taught in last video. In this video, I am going to teach preparation of amines, remaining 3 methods. First one is Gabriel Thallimide synthesis I will teach. First one is preparation of amines by using Gabriel Thallimide synthesis. Second one is Augment bromide degradation. And third one from nitrocommerce. These 3 methods only I will teach in this video. Okay. So Gabriel Thallimide synthesis, Augment bromide degradation, these are important naming reaction. Augment bromide, it is important naming reaction. Okay, so first of all, I am going to teach Gabriel Thallimide synthesis, preparation of amines from thallimide. Gabriel Thallimide synthesis. I am going to prepare amine from thallimide. First of all, we have to take thallimide. This is what? Thallimide. Okay. This thallimide react with alkali. I am going to add a base, potassium hydroxide, KOH. Okay. It gives one intermediate. Compare potassium and hydroxyl group. Hydroxyl group electronegativity is greater than potassium. K plus OH minus, bond break. Here compare nitrogen and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Nitrogen. So here nitrogen takes one pair of electron. Here also bond break. H plus OH minus. 1 mole of water is removed. What's the charge of nitrogen? Minus potassium plus due to loss of electron. So here in between nitrogen and potassium bond formation. You can get potassium salts of thallimide. C double bond O, bond formation in between nitrogen and potassium, N minus K plus bond formation. Okay, its name potassium salts of thallimide. Next, this potassium thallimide is reactive with alkyl halide. It reacts with alkyl halide. What's the general formula of alkyl halide? RX. It reacts with alkyl halide. Again, it gives intermediate. Next, compare nitrogen and potassium. Which one is more electronegative? Nitrogen. So here nitrogen takes one pair of electron, bond break. N minus K plus. Am I right? Here compare alkyl group and halogen. Which one is more electronegative? Halogen. So halogen takes one pair of electron. Here also bond break. X minus due to gain of electron. R plus due to loss of electron. So this K plus is combined with X minus. What will happen? K plus X minus. Bond formation. Kx is removed. N charge minus R charge plus. So bond formation in between N and R. C double bond O. What's the charge of N? Minus R plus, bond formation in between nitrogen and alkyl group. Its name N-alkyl thallimide. This is potassium. This is thallimide. When this thallimide reacts with the potassium hydroxide, you can get potassium salts of thallimide. Then this potassium salts of thallimide is react with alkyl halide. You can get N-alkyl thallimide because alkyl group is attached to the nitrogen. So its name is N-alkyl thallimide. This N-alkyl thallimide is reacted with sodium hydroxide or water. Anyone you can add. Now I am going to add sodium hydroxide. Okay. I am going to add 2 moles of NaOH. You can add water or sodium hydroxide. Anyone you can add. React with sodium hydroxide. 2 moles of NaOH. NaOH. Okay. Compare oxygen and hydrogen. In this condition, bond break in between oxygen and hydrogen. compare oxygen and hydrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Oxygen. So oxygen takes one pair of electron. Here bond break. Here compare oxygen and hydrogen. Oxygen takes one pair of electron, 2 moles. So we can write separately NaOH and NaOH. Okay, here compare carbon and nitrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Nitrogen. So nitrogen takes one pair of electron, bond break. Here compare carbonyl carbon and nitrogen. Which one is more electronegative? Nitrogen. So nitrogen takes one pair of electron. Here also bond break. Okay, now what's the charge of nitrogen? N2 minus. What's the reason? Or N2 minus. What's the reason? Because 2 times gain of electron. Am I right? Next, here C. What's the charge of C? Plus NaO minus. Here O minus C plus. Bond formation in between carbonyl carbon and NaO. You can get COO Na. Next here, this carbon charge plus NaO minus. Am I right? You can get one byproduct and byproduct. This is byproduct. CO. Here C double bond O. What's the charge of carbonyl carbon? Plus NaO minus. So bond formation in between carbon and oxygen. Next, here C plus due to loss of electron. Another one NaO minus. So bond formation. This is byproduct. Here H plus, this H plus. Am I right? How many H plus? 2 H plus. Nitrogen charge 2 minus. So 2 minus means you can add 2 H plus. So it becomes RNH2, primary amine. N2 minus. So you can add 2 H plus. So it becomes RNH2. Are you clear? By using Gabriel Thallimide synthesis, we can prepare primary aliphatic amine. Primary aliphatic amine only you can prepare. There are 2 important reasoning questions in this topic. By using Gabriel Thallimide synthesis, we can able to prepare primary aliphatic amine only. We can't able to prepare secondary aliphatic amine and tertiary aliphatic amine. Why? What's the reason? One important reasoning question. And one more thing, by using Gabriel Thallimide synthesis, we can able to prepare aliphatic amines only. We can't able to prepare aromatic amine. What's the reason? Okay, so first I will teach this one. By using Gabriel Thallimide synthesis, we can able to prepare aliphatic amines only. We can't able to prepare aromatic amine. What's the reason? You know very well about aromatic amine. For example, aniline. This one is example for aromatic amine. So many examples. Here NH2 group is attached to the benzene ring. So these are all what? Aromatic amine. By using Gabriel Thallimide synthesis, you can able to prepare aliphatic amine only. You can't able to prepare aromatic amine. What's the reason? You can't able to prepare aniline. What's the reason? Because Gabriel Thallimide synthesis is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. This one is nucleophilic substitution reaction. You know very well about aromatic amine. You know very well about aniline. Aromatic amine undergoes electrophilic substitution reaction only. It does not undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. Are you clear? Aromatic amines, anilines undergoes electrophilic substitution only. It does not undergoes nucleophilic substitution reaction. But Gabriel Thallimide synthesis is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. So we can able to prepare aliphatic amine only. We can't able to prepare aromatic amine. Okay, now this is first reasoning question. Second reasoning question: by using Gabriel Thallimide synthesis, we can prepare aliphatic primary amine only. Primary aliphatic amine only we can prepare. We can't able to prepare secondary aliphatic amine and tertiary aliphatic amine. What's the reason? When you prepare primary aliphatic amine by using Gabriel Thallimide synthesis, it gives pure product. But when you prepare secondary and tertiary aliphatic amine, it gives impurities also. We have to do purification. So we can't able to prepare secondary and tertiary aliphatic amine by using Gabriel Thallimide synthesis. Are you clear? When you prepare secondary aliphatic amine and tertiary aliphatic amine, it gives impurities. So we can't able to do purification very easily. So we can't able to prepare secondary and tertiary aliphatic amines by using Gabriel Thallimide synthesis. Okay, na? So Gabriel Thallimide synthesis is over. Next one is Hofmann bromamide degradation. Hofmann bromamide degradation. This is also important naming reaction. Very important naming reaction. Frequently these questions will come in board examination. Hartmann bromide degradation. What do you mean by Hartmann bromide degradation? Amide is converted into primary amine is called as Hartmann bromide degradation. Its reactant is amide. Its product is amine, primary amine. Amide is converted into primary amine. This is called as Hartmann bromide degradation. Hartmann bromide degradation reaction. This is step down reaction. It will be very useful for conversion in step down. I will explain later. Amide is converted into primary amine. For example, I am going to take acetamide. CH3 C double bond O NH2. This is what amide, or C double bond O NH2. Instead of R, I am going to take methyl group. Acetamide plus Br2 plus 4NaOH. This reaction tricks I am going to teach to you. Here this is amide. You know very well about Hartmann bromide. Amide is converted into primary amine. So primary amine means what? This CH3NH2. This is the primary amine. So it becomes CH3MH2. Okay. Next. Here Br2. How many Br? 2Br minus is combined with 2Na plus. You can get 2NaBr. 2Br is combined with 2Na. You can get 2NaBr. Okay. So remaining how many Na? 2Na plus is there. How many OH minus? 4 OH minus is there. OH minus, OH minus, OH minus, OH minus. Am I right? One OH minus is combined with, actually, you know, this minus for oxygen. Okay. OH minus. We have to write like this. Oxygen takes one pair of electron. O2 minus H plus. Are you clear? So this OH minus is combined with H plus 1 mole of water. It becomes O2 minus. Okay. So OH minus is combined with H plus 1 mole of water. Another one OH minus is combined with H plus 1 mole of water. So 2 moles of water is removed. Remaining here, how many oxygen? Totally, how many sodium? 4 sodium. 4 Na plus. 2 Na plus is combined with 2 Br minus. You can get 2 NaBr. Remaining 2 Na plus is there, and 2 O2 minus is there. O2 minus and O2 minus. This O2 minus is combined with C double bond O. It becomes CO3 2 minus. Are you clear? This O2 minus, here CO is there. This O2 minus is combined with the C double bond O. It becomes CO3 2 minus. This CO3 2 minus remaining how many Na plus? 2 Na plus. Na plus, Na plus. Okay, so these two Na plus is combined with CO3 2 minus. It becomes Na2CO3. Are you clear? O2 minus, O2 minus. These two O2 minus is combined with the C double bond O. It becomes CO3 2 minus. Here remaining 2 Na plus. This CO3 2 minus is combined with the remaining 2 Na plus. It becomes Na2CO3. Here amide is converted into primary amine. Okay. Here how many carbon atom present in a reactant? 2 carbon atom present. But in product, just only 1 carbon atom present. In conversion, if you want to reduce 1 carbon atom means you can choose Hartmann bromide degradation. This is step down process in conversion. Okay. So very important reaction, Hartmann bromide degradation. Hartmann bromide degradation means what? Amide is converted into primary amine. This is called as Hartmann bromide degradation. Okay, so this reaction also over. Next, I am going to prepare amine from nitro compounds by using reduction process. From nitro compounds, by using reduction process. nitro compounds. What's the general formula of nitro compounds? NO2 or NO2. Okay. So reduction process. So reduction means what? Addition of hydrogen to the reactant. So if you want to do reduction means we have to add some reducing agent. What are the reducing agents are applicable here? We can use catalytic reducing agent. Hydrogen bar platinum, hydrogen bar palladium, nickel bar hydrogen. If you want to prepare amine from nitro compounds means you can use catalytic reducing agent. These reducing agents are catalytic reducing agent. Hydrogen bar platinum, hydrogen bar palladium, nickel bar hydrogen. These are all catalytic reducing agent. Or we can use SN bar HCl, metal with hydrochloric acid, SN bar HCl or Fe bar HCl. These reducing agent also we can use. Okay. If you want to prepare amines from nitro compounds means you can use catalytic reducing agent or you can use SN bar HCl or Fe bar HCl. These reducing agent only you can use. Other reducing agent you should not use. Okay. Now I am going to prepare amine from nitro compound. For example, I am going to take CH3NO2. CH3NO2. I am going to take you can take any reducing agent. I am going to take Fe bar HCl. This is reducing agent. Reducing agent means what? It gives hydrogen to the reactant. Okay. It gives 6 hydrogen. 6 hydrogen. 1 oxygen is combined with 2 hydrogen. What will happen? 1 mole of water is removed. 1 oxygen is combined with 2 hydrogen. 1 mole of water. Another 1 oxygen is combined with 2 hydrogen. 2 moles of water is removed. Are you clear or not? 1 oxygen combined with 2 hydrogen, 1 mole. Another 1 oxygen is combined with 2 hydrogen, 2 moles of water. Remaining how many hydrogen is there? 2 hydrogen. Here 2 vacant place in this nitrogen. So these two hydrogen is attached to the nitrogen. It becomes CH3NH2. This is what? Preparation of amines from nitro compounds by using reduction process. If you want to do reduction process in nitro compounds means you can use a catalytic reducing agent or you can use SN bar HCl or Fe bar HCl. Okay. So preparation of amines over. In this video I taught 3 methods. First one is Gabriel thalidomide synthesis. In the topic I taught 2 reasoning question also. It is important reasoning question. And next one is carbon bromide degradation. Third one is from nitro compounds. Okay. Thank you everybody. In next video I will teach chemical properties of amines. Okay. Thank you everybody.